In the last video, we revamped our living room for less than $600. I'll link the makeover video if you missed it. Keep watching to see how we added some subtle glam and cozy fall touches to the space for virtually free. Let's go. This first project cost $20 and was part of our living room makeover. However, I didn't have space in that video, so it's in this one. I spray painted the candle holder gold with spray paint that I already had. I took a faux crystal garland that I had in our Christmas decorations, cut it up, and strung it on the candle holder. I also already had these battery-operated candles, and I placed them on top.
There we go. Look everyone, I did it. The knot came on knotting. Now I can take the pumpkins out one by one. We're going to spray paint them gold, because everyone loves gold, especially my mom.
Next up, we updated this garland that I had in storage. We used matching gold spray paint.
Take this out. At least fit 3 on each row.
I don't know if your fingers are strong enough.
Not.
Give it a try. That's how I get you to do a wiggle dance.
I strung it together with these acorn bells, also from storage, and some gold twine. Pumpkins were also from storage, but originally they are mostly from the Dollar Tree, and then I spray painted them gold. This giant pumpkin was from the thrift store, and then I spray painted it gold to match. I got this ceramic pumpkin with a lid, also from the thrift store a few years ago. Rob has been cutting a lot of trees down. I took 3 logs, dried them out, brought them inside, and wrapped them in string lights that I already had. The last few times that we used our fireplace, it blew a ton of smoke into the house, so something's not quite right. So until we get that sorted out, we have some decorative logs in the fireplace that have a nice glowing light.
Take this out. Oh, here we go. You they'll push down. Same order?
Mm-hmm.
Just squish them in. Ow, pinch my finger. There we go.
If you're enjoying these really budget-friendly decorating ideas, make sure that you like this video so I can make more, and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Well, that wraps up our simple fall decor. We do a few subtle touches that are very inexpensive. Most of them are thrifted or are attainable DIYs. Stay tuned because we have a couple more room makeovers before the year is over and we don't want you to miss them. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!